Thank you. My name is Harrison Wells. Tonight, the future begins. The work my team and I will do here will change our understanding of physics. We'll bring about advancements in power, advancements in medicine, and trust me, that future will be here faster than you think.
Hey, my laptop! It's got my dissertation!
I'm sorry.
Hey, kid. You don't have to do this, all right? Just give me back my friend's bag and we'll call it even. Okay?
Barry! Are you okay?
Freeze! Please! Or do you want to find out the hard way? You're not faster than a bullet.
Who is that guy and what is he so proud of? So he caught a mugger.
He's a transfer from Keystone. Started a few weeks ago. Eddie Thawne.
Oh, that's Detective Pretty Boy. That's what my dad calls him. Says he actually keeps score when it comes to arrests. He is pretty, though.
This is the last farm on Barry's list.
Look, I know the kid's smart, but you said it yourself. Sometimes he's chasing flying pigs.
Well, let's check it out anyway.
I'm Linda Park, and we're live outside Star Labs despite the inclement weather, which is only going to get worse. The torrential downpour has in no way affected the particle accelerator, which is up and running smoothly, according to Star Labs CEO Harrison Wells. The weather has already and here as no one is ready to leave. Those outside are finding cover wherever they can.
Whoa. Morning.
I got a plane to catch! What the hell?
Giant, hang in there.
Wait, we're now being told to evacuate the facility. The storm may have caused a malfunction to the primary cooling system. Officials are now trying to shut down the particle accelerator, but so far have been unable to regain control of the system.
He was hit by lightning.
How's he still alive?
Go. No heartbeat. CBC Chem 24, type and cross the board, bag him.
Coding.
Flatline.
You can be. I'm family.
About 200.
Barry!
Clear.